Welcome to Herbal Help. Dive into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with us. On this channel, we explore the healing powers of herbs, offering practical tips, DIY recipes, and insightful discussions on incorporating herbal remedies into your daily life. Whether you're seeking solutions for common ailments, curious about herbalism, or simply want to embrace a more natural lifestyle, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of herbal healing and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Today, we're going to talk about the wonders of Graviola. Graviola, also known as Soursop, is a tropical, fruit-bearing plant with leaves, fruit, seeds, and bark traditionally used for medicinal purposes. It is rich in bioactive compounds, including alkaloids, acetogenins, and antioxidants, which contribute to its potential health benefits. Here's a detailed look at its health benefits. 1. Potential anti-cancer properties. Graviola is rich in acetogenins, compounds that may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent their spread. Some studies suggest Graviola selectively targets cancerous cells without harming healthy cells, though more human trials are needed. Preliminary research shows promise in managing breast, pancreatic, colon, and prostate cancers. 2. It boosts the immune system. Graviola contains vitamin C, polyphenols, and flavonoids, which strengthen the immune system by neutralizing free radicals. Its immune-boosting properties can help the body recover faster from illnesses and infections. 3. It reduces inflammation. Compounds in Graviola, such as alkaloids and quinolones, have shown anti-inflammatory effects. It may help reduce inflammation associated with arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory conditions. 4. It supports digestive health. The leaves and fruit are traditionally used to alleviate indigestion, bloating, and other gastrointestinal discomforts. Its antibacterial properties help combat infections that cause diarrhea and other digestive issues. Graviola may help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. 5. It improves cardiovascular health. Graviola has been used in traditional medicine to help manage hypertension due to its hypertensive properties. It supports healthy blood flow and may reduce the risk of heart disease by decreasing oxidative stress on blood vessels. Some studies suggest it may help lower bad cholesterol levels. 6. It may help manage diabetes. Graviola leaf extracts have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Its antioxidant properties may reduce the risk of complications like neuropathy or heart disease in diabetics. 7. It relieves pain. Graviola has pain-relieving properties that make it useful for treating headaches, joint pain, and neuropathic pain. It is sometimes used to relax muscles and alleviate spasms. 8. It supports respiratory health. Graviola has been traditionally used to alleviate symptoms of colds, coughs, and bronchitis. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects help reduce congestion and improve breathing. 9. It promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Graviola is known for its calming properties, which can help reduce anxiety, stress, and insomnia. Drinking Graviola tea is a traditional remedy for promoting restful sleep. 10. It fights infections. Graviola has been shown to combat bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. Topical applications of Graviola may help treat skin conditions like wounds, boils, and rashes. 11. It enhances skin health. Graviola helps protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a youthful appearance. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help manage acne and other skin irritations. 12. It supports liver and kidney health. Graviola may support liver function by enhancing detoxification processes. Its antioxidant properties protect liver and kidney tissues from oxidative stress and toxins. How to use Graviola. Brew dried Graviola leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes to make tea. Capsules and tablets are available in supplement form for convenience. Graviola extracts are concentrated and can be added to drinks or taken directly. You can also eat the fruit fresh or use it in smoothies, desserts, or juices. Safety considerations. Avoid use during pregnancy and breastfeeding, as it may cause uterine contractions. Long-term excessive use may affect nerve health due to the presence of neurotoxic compounds in high doses. Consult a healthcare provider if you are on medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or depression. Stick to recommended doses, as excessive consumption can lead to nausea or other side effects. Would you like specific recipes for graviola tea or other ways to incorporate this herb into your routine?